Check out my dirty side hustle. I clean and restore expensive shoes and make $1,000 per day.
So that's a pretty cool way to generate some side income, but if you don't want to get your hands dirty, then you might want to try something else instead called digital product selling, or DPS. Now all you would do is head to a website called Digistore24, which is a big product network, and you would pick any one of these products, get a special link that they will give you from one of the products you want to promote, and then stick that product on any of your social media websites like Instagram or TikTok. Now, when somebody clicks on that link and they buy that product from you, you generate a sale, and Digistore24 is going to send you a commission directly through PayPal. Now, digital product selling is a $12 billion underground industry that a lot of people don't know about. And the best part about it is there's no shipping, there's no inventory, and you can do this literally from anywhere in the world. You can be in a mountain, in a park, on the lake, or just in front of your TV, and you can still generate commissions this way. Now, if you want to find out exactly how to generate leads and clicks and generate more sales from digital product selling, then go ahead and just follow me on my channel. Click on the link in my bio, go through the free training, and I'll show you exactly my step-by-step guide on exactly how I do 5 figures every single month from digital product selling. See you there.